Here's how to understand centripetal acceleration in physics. If we wanted a value for this centripetal acceleration, we're going to use this formula, where AC is equal to the velocity squared divided by the radius of the circular path. Looking at the direction of this acceleration, we need to think about where the velocity is changing as it moves around the circle. In this case, we see that the velocity is always trying to be pulled towards the center of the circle, so we say that centripetal acceleration points directly inwards towards the center of rotation. Another cool thing about having an acceleration is that from F equals ma, there must also be a net force in the same direction. In the case of the moving car, it's the force of friction between the road and the tires that keeps it moving in a circle. Whereas with the roller coaster, it's the normal force from the track that pushes on the person, and this is how heavy they feel. So in our roller coaster problem, we're going to start at the bottom by drawing a force diagram. Here we have the force of gravity pointing down, and the normal force from the track pointing up.